Welcome to another how-to video. How to get steel in Whiteout Survival. Very easy. Hey gamers, today let me show you how you can get steel in Whiteout Survival. There are actually two ways and it can be found both ways in exploration. So first, click explore on the bottom left of your screen. Like what I've said, there are two options to get steel for survival. First, click the chest on the right side of your screen. As you can see, steel can be claimed here. The other one is to click Explore. While you are in the Explore tab, these are the enemies I have to face to get steel. That's simply it. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you next time.